Hi, I'm Pam. Today we're going to walk through the features of MapMagick, which is the ArcMap add-in for CrashMagick, which allows you to select data in ArcMap and send it to CrashMagick to create studies and reports. So here in ArcMap, we've got two layers displayed. We've got a crash data layer and a street centerline layer. And we're going to use MapMagick to create three study types in CrashMagick. So the first, using the star icon, we'll select crashes from the layer to create a case ID study. The second, using the rectangle icon, we'll select a rectangular area to create a study based on coordinate data. And then finally, using the cross icon here, we'll select crossing center lines to create an intersection study. So first, we'll select crashes to create a case ID study. We'll select ArcMap's Select Features tool, select the crashes that we're interested in. You can hold down the Shift key to select crashes as you'd like. And then you'll click the star icon to send the selected crashes to CrashMagick. So MapMagick will log you in. You can see off the left here, we've got the case numbers from our selected crashes. We can name the study something that we'd like. So my case ID study. Any reports that you have available to you in CrashMagick, you can select here in MapMagick. So right now we have a four-way intersection selected and a case ID list selected. So we'll go ahead with those. If you have filters that you like to use in CrashMagick, those are also available from MapMagick. So those will appear here and you can select those as you like. And so now we're ready to create our reports in CrashMagick. So there are three options for that down here. You can create the report and launch CrashMagick, which will open up your browser, log you in, and you can interact with the study and report. You can just create the reports that will set it up on CrashMagick's side, and you can stay within the ArcMap interface and continue working. Your third option is to create those reports in CrashMagick and then get PDFs back. So that's the same as if you had gone into CrashMagick and opened each report and hit the print button. So first we're going to launch CrashMagick. So we'll hit the top button there. Two reports were successfully created for us. It will log out of the MapMagick interface, open up your browser, log you in, and take you directly to the study and the reports that you just created. So we've got that there. That's our first way of interacting with CrashMagick. So we'll log out and close our browser. Head back into ArcMap, clear our selections there. So next we'll create a rectangle study. So we'll select this rectangle icon up here, and we will draw a rectangle over our area of interest. Let go. And it will log us in to CrashMagick again. As you can see off on the left here, we've got the coordinates of the rectangle that we selected. You have the date range, so whatever start and end date that you're interested in. We can name our study as we like. So we'll call it My XY Study. Again, whatever reports you're interested in and whatever filters you'd like, you can set those. This time we'll create the reports and get the PDFs. So again, it'll just create the reports first. Next, it'll create PDFs of both of those reports on the CrashMagick side, send those to the MapMagick side, and here it pops up a box for us so we can see we've got a PDF of our four-way intersection and our case ID list. So if we want to see those, it will open those up in our default PDF viewer. So there's our diagram, and if we want to see our case ID list, same thing. All right, so we can close those and then move on to our third way of creating CrashMagick studies. So we'll select an intersection to create a study based on cross streets. So first we select our cross tool up here, and then we select an intersection of interest. This looks like 14th and Pearl. So we click on that intersection. It picks the street names from the street centerline data. Again, you can select the date range, start and end date range for your study. It names the study based on your street and cross street. Again, select reports and filters as you like. And this time we're just going to create the reports. So we say just create the reports, those reports are successfully created on the Crash Magic side. We say, okay, we can continue to work in ArcMap, and then whenever we're ready, we can go into Crash Magic and interact with those reports as we'd like. So that's all we've got for today. For more information on Map Magic, you can check out our knowledge base or contact our support team at pdmagic.com. Thank you.